Welcome back to Bertie Bus,
the one and only YouTube channel. We've got a very special vlog.
I'm right excited.
How lucky are we, Zoe? But we are very, very humbled and very, very giddy in the fact that we have an e-bike to review. And for this review, we get the e-bike, guys. And this is a bike that we will use personally. We're going to keep it in the garage. Zoe's going to use it, aren't you, love? Yeah. Because she's always wanted one.
You can use it as well, I suppose. Because it does go for a height limit of 6.2. I'm not sure about the weight on it, though. But yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, so we're so lucky to be getting this e-bike to review, guys. So this is why we're doing the review. We really, really want this bike. It makes our life a lot easier, and like Zoe can go to shops and things like that and get me beer and chocolate and things, can't you, Zoe?
Oh, yeah.
So here's a review on the bike, guys. I hope you enjoy it. We'll do the best we can in it because we're all new to this.
What sort of bike it is?
It's an e-bike.
It's a Engwe Engine Pro 2.
A what? An Engwe?
Engwe Engine Pro 2.
It's got an engine in it. Oh. Oh, it's alright. It's just dogs kicking off in back. It's fine. It's fine. You know, it's just normal, this, for us.
Yeah.
And here it is. I've just got to build it up because this is how it comes, guys. If you order a bike, it'll come in a box like this. So I've got to build this bike up. So I shall get it unboxed and see what we've got, and we'll get this bike built up for Zoe. It's just inside the box, and this is how it comes packaged up. It's quite well packaged, really. So let's get it out and see what we've got, shall we? So this is it now. We've taken all packaging off. You were well packaged, I'll give it that.
I know, loads of packaging.
So we'll go through what we've got. We've got a cardboard box here that's got the pedals in. We've got your mud guards down here, look. We've got the seat stem and the handlebar stem. We've got the seat itself. It comes with a really good padded seat.
What I want to know is, are the wheels already pumped up?
No idea.
We've got a bike pump, haven't we?
Oh, we've got a ball thrown in by Bodie.
Yeah.
It's always good. Dogs always like to help do a review, don't you, guys? Get out at wheel.
They seem like they're pumped up then.
So this is front wheel, as you can see, so that's always handy. We've got a rear rack. That's quite a chunky thing. Put your shopping on that, love, and me chocolate and beer.
Yeah. On that, can't I?
And then the bike itself, look at this, I'm loving colour of it. And it comes with its own toolkit. Look at this. So you don't need any tools, look at that.
Yeah, all Allen keys, you know.
Spanners, Allen keys, screwdriver, everything in there.
Does it come with a bike pump? I don't think it does it?
No, I don't think so, no.
Who's helping you, John?
Get off my tools.
He wants to help you.
So don't do what I've just gone and done with it. I've put front wheel on, thinking it'll make it easier to put it together. It comes with a transportation spindle, which I didn't know, so I've put wheel on once, then realised it's a transportation spindle and not the spindle I should have put in because it's in the box. So I've taken that spindle out, I've then swapped it over and put the other spindle in, put the wheel back on again, and then guess what I've done? I've just realised this here, see cables for handlebars here, I've now got it wrong side up bloody wheel. So I've got to take wheel off again for the third time. Right, now I've got cables on right side at stem here. You have to remove, it says remove casing insert, which is this black cap. Don't be fooled into thinking that all this black cap just pulls off. There's a little plug here in its centre. You pull that off. There's an Allen key, look, Allen bolt. So you've got to take that out to get that insert out. Don't do what I was just trying to do and trying to prise it out, because it won't come out till I realised. Right, so I've taken that casing off. There's a cap on top. You take the cap off and take that casing off. Don't throw away that, because you reuse that. You think it's part of packaging and it's not, because this is your handlebar. Don't look like it because it's bent. It's a foldable bike, so this handlebar folds down. So that locates at the top of that. You show that top of that, Zoe. You see that, guys? And then this spacer goes back in there, and then the bolt that you took out goes back in top there and it bolts it on. So yeah, that's a bit confusing. They don't really show it in instructions that clearly.
No.
I've worked that out.
Do you think
I'm clever, Zoe?
To work it out for yourself? You are clever. John's just doing finishing touches on bike, just tightening a few things.
Bloody hell, it's hard work, this silly.
What you got to do now? Put the battery in?
No, pedals need to go on.
Pedals, yeah.
Right, it's built. We're just waiting for the battery to charge up. It's taken about 2 hours. I've never built one before, so it's a bit of trial and error. Instructions weren't that clear, to be honest, but we've worked it out. And yeah, it's all ready to go. Just waiting for the battery. Zoe's so giddy. So we'll show you the bike. So this is the battery for it. Wow, it's a big battery. So there you go. And this we've had on charge for about 5 hours. So it's fully charged. It comes with a charger and adapter and everything. And I plugged it into my power bank. It drained my power bank quite a bit, but I've just recharged my power bank, so we're good again. So this fits inside the frame of the bike. So we're going to fit this into the bike and we'll see what it does, and we'll give you the spec of this bike. Right, so this is a folding bike. So to release it, there's a lever here. Push that clip forward, I think. Pull that back. And ta-da! You see that is for going round corners.
No, I think
around corners with it like that.
I think it's for folding it out, John.
So that's that, and then the battery then slots in there somehow.
The lithium battery.
There we go.
Yeah.
In.
So it's hidden.
It's watted. Hidden.
Yeah.
It just folds up this bike. We'll show you how it folds up
yeah.
when we know how it folds up.
Put it back together. I can't wait to have a go on it.
Locked. So you have to put key in underneath here to turn it on, and then we'll show you the display that's on now. So I don't know if you can see that. That's the display that's on. So your power, you've got plus and minus here, so that's just power speed for your battery. They are your gears. You've got hydraulic brakes, and then that one is the throttle, the accelerator, so you don't even have to pedal, guys. You just push that down and it just goes on its own. You don't even need to pedal. So it is quite fast. It does 15 miles an hour. It does have a horn on it underneath here. It's a horn. It has lights on it. So the button that is at the side of that, if I press that, I think, should bring on the lights. Yeah, got lights out front and also lights at the back of it. You see that? Lights at back. So Zoe's going to take it for a spin, and then we'll see. She is test pilot.
You've got my helmet on for safety.
Yeah. Test pilot's going to test it out, aren't you, Zoe?
Yeah.
We set seat to your height, which is little.
Rose, come here.
I've just had a go in it, guys, and I'm 6'1", so you can height seat right up, so it's perfectly comfortable for me. It does have all-round suspension, but I do think the really big tyres do help the suspension as well. It's quite a comfortable ride. I've just taken it round, and it's pretty fast, guys, to be honest. Zoe, you're going to give it spec?
Yeah, well, first of all, I'm going to say it comes in a lovely blue colour, which is what I've got, and it comes in a green as well, and a black one. Yeah, this is the second one what Engine Pro have done, Engwe. Yeah, they did a number one, but this is the second one. They've slightly increased the battery power and the torque on it.
Right, so the spec on this, guys, it has hydraulic brakes, really good at stopping. It has 8 gears, you can see 8 gears, of which are controlled by these 2 levers here. It has a 5-speed PAS, they're different power levels, obviously 1 being the lowest and 5 the highest. It has the acceleration, the battery takes 5 hours to charge. It will cover how much mileage if you take it on eco?
Up to 68 miles.
Okay, so it'll do 68 miles
up
to if you have it on the lowest power setting. If you have it on the highest power setting, it will do 40 miles on the battery, which is still pretty good.
It's
still
just
pretty good.
A rough guide. It also depends on your weight as well. If you're somebody big and heavy,
What are you trying to say, Zoe, here?
It will not do as many miles, obviously, because it's going to take more power. But if you've got somebody really lightweight and slim, you know, like me, it would do quite a lot of miles.
Yeah.
I wish.
It has a very high torque, and it's 75. Is it NM they call it?
NM, yeah.
Yeah, so it's 75, which is quite high for a e-bike. And basically what that means is it's the power ratio. So you don't have to put much pressure onto the pedals for the power to kick in. Do you know what I'm saying? It's a very high torque on the motor. It picks up very quickly, doesn't it? It doesn't take much at all, to be honest. So that's really good. It is a foldable bike, which will show how it folds down. You release the lever there, and then that folds down like that. The pedals fold in. So the pedal you push. Get this right now. Yeah, you push that in like that. It's like on a spring. So it's folded in.
The handlebars, the pedals, and
this side in.
The bike to holding off. When we come round
That's
in.
that's that. So that's that
you've
folded
done the
in.
pedals, yeah.
And then I've shown it before, but there's a lever here. Release that like that, and then the whole thing folds in half.
Oh wow! Yeah, it's quite compact, isn't it?
There you go. Folds right in like that.
So that would go in back as a boot or a car, wouldn't it?
Yeah, if you needed to. I mean, we don't need to at garage. We could drop handlebars down to get it in garage, but I don't think I need to fold it in half like that.
I'm just thinking people want one they've got a car that would easily fold in back over a car, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Very good, very compact. Just them 3 easy steps.
And fold handlebars down, and that'll go in garage fine, I think.
Yeah.
Are you safe on that, Zoe?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll start it off on number 1 first while I get used to it. Then I'm going to increase it to power 5 as I'm coming back.
Whoa, you're going to be straight through fence here.
Yeah.
Off you go then. Good luck.
Good base. Like,
Are you sure? Off she goes.
You don't have to push the pedals very hard. Whoa.
Don't run dogs over.
Wow, that was brilliant.
You like that?
Yeah, it's so comfy to ride. bouncy. You know, in past, when I've been riding other bikes, my bum's hurt, but I think you could get away with riding all day on this and your bum not hurting.
Oh, that's good to know. Speed test then, Zoe. Put it on 5.
This is on number 5, this.
And use accelerator thing on it.
I'm just going to show you how fast this bike is.
So, move out of the way, Bodie.
Come on, Birdie.
Know where your brakes are, don't you, love?
Oh, you only to touch it a little bit and I'm nearly off.
Is that on 5 then?
Yeah.
You sure? You ready?
Yeah, right.
Whoa.
And I'm not even pedaling.
You know where brakes are, don't you? I can't get Zoe off bike. She's riding round and round and round. It's like she's gone back to being a kid again. She's absolutely loving this. She thinks it's great.
I can't keep off this bike. I'm absolutely loving it. Absolutely loving it. I've just got it on number 1 at minute. I'm on flat, but I'm hardly pedaling at all. It's great. Level 3.
First of all, a big thank you to Engui for considering us to do a review. We are really appreciative of this e-bike. So thank you so much for having the opportunity to review the bike. I hope we did it justice and we have covered everything. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we have. Yeah.
Covered everything on it. I mean, if you guys have got any questions on it, then you can always message us. So we are keeping this bike personally to use. So yeah, big asset to us. So pros and cons for it, Zoe?
Well, I'll start off with the cons. The instructions manual wasn't very good, was it? But it don't really matter because we worked it out.
Yeah, it's not that clear, I don't think.
No.
But it's simple, straightforward stuff, you know what I mean? So we worked it out, and if I can work it out,
Anybody
I guess.
can.
Whoa! But but it weren't a problem, was it? And we've got the bike together, okay?
It's a little bit too heavy, but
Yeah.
that's because it's a really good quality, sturdy bike, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really well built
really
bike, and the
well-built
battery's
one.
heavy as well, remember? So I'm going to guess most e-bikes are quite heavy.
Yeah.
So that's just how they are, I guess. But I love the bike,
yeah.
lovely colour, well built.
And most importantly, the ride. Oh wow, it is really comfortable with the seat, and it's got full suspension. It feels like you're riding on air, and it feels like really sturdy. I'd be quite happy to go on the road with that. I'm very comfortable, very confident on it because it's a good sturdy bike.
Yeah. There's anything else? We'll get to the price of it, guys, and also we do have a discount code for it as well, don't we? That they've sent us.
Yeah.
So with our discount code, you get £100 off the price of it.
Yeah,
If you we'll put
that's
the link in the description underneath. Put that in if you're ordering one, and you will get the £100 discount from Bertie Bus.
Yeah.
So that's well worth having, and the cost of it is
£1,499.
yeah, so
Now,
£1,500.
that's not bad, is it, for a really good quality e-bike? Because some e-bikes can be 5,000 and 6,000, can't they?
Yeah, it's a really good quality bike for that, I think. You're getting what you pay for. It is a good spec on the bike, I think.
I've been on other e-bikes and they felt a bit flimsy, and I wouldn't feel as safe on them, but this one I would.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep, so that's the price, guys. £1,499 at the moment. You do get £100 off, like we've said. From us, well worth buying. We were going to buy one, weren't we,
Yeah.
at Christmas, but we couldn't afford it at the time. But that would have been around our price range, wouldn't it? That if we'd have got one, and we would have probably got something like the one we've just got now for the quality of it.
I love the tyres on it as well.
Yeah.
Thick, chunky tyres.
Yeah, it's a little Tonka toy interior, like
Yeah.
go anywhere bike. So I hope you like the review, guys, and hopefully we'll catch you on our next vlog.
Yeah, and please like and subscribe if you aren't already, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, we've kind of gone off boil a little bit, guys, with the situation with Millie and everything. So the subscribers have stopped and things like that, which we expected. But Bertie Bus will bounce back, and we're going to come back, and we're going to keep growing this channel, hopefully, with you guys. So thank you for your support, and like Zoe says, if you've not liked and subscribed, please do that to help our channel grow, and we can get back to doing what we normally do and get back to some Bertie Bus stuff.
Yeah.
So take care, guys. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.